Moderate mag. 4.8 earthquake. North Atlantic Ocean, 289 kilometers northeast of Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, on Saturday, February 11, 2023 at 8:50 a.m. local time. According to the RaspberryShake reported. Updated. February 11, 2023 14:06 Greenwich Mean Time 4 minutes ago. Refreshed. I felt this quake data. Interactive map. New. SEISMOGRAMS. User reports. Earlier quakes here. Quakes in Dominican Republic. Provincia de SEIBO. Provincia de ALTAGRACIA. Provincia de ROMANA. Moderate magnitude 4.8 earthquake at 5 kilometer depth is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.